Welcome back to Motor Masters, the ultimate destination where horsepower meets high-tech, and we bring you the most exciting rides from around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly unique from the Chinese automotive scene, the Dongfeng Box. Buckle up, because this is not your typical van. The Dongfeng Box is a futuristic and compact electric van that's turning heads with its radical design and impressive functionality. Designed primarily for urban delivery and commercial use, the box is part of Dongfeng's new approach to sustainable, city-friendly mobility. Its name might be simple, but this EV is anything but basic. Visually, the Dongfeng Box looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its squared-off, geometric body gives it a sharp and modern vibe, but that design also serves a purpose, maximizing interior space. With short overhangs, a high roofline, and a flat floor, the van offers a spacious cargo area that makes it ideal for e-commerce deliveries, food services, or even mobile businesses. It's a minimalist dream with bold LED lighting and clean lines that make it stand out in any city street. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is a fully electric powertrain. While specific figures can vary based on the configuration, the Dongfeng Box typically comes equipped with a battery offering a range of around 200 to 300 kilometers on a full charge, depending on the load and driving conditions. It's powered by a single electric motor delivering smooth torque and a silent driving experience perfect for city use. Charging is quick and easy, with both AC and DC fast charging options available to get it back on the road swiftly. Inside, the cabin is simple but futuristic. You get a digital instrument cluster, a central touch screen for infotainment, and essential connectivity options to support logistics and business operations. Dongfeng clearly kept functionality at the core while still giving the driver a modern and tech-savvy interface. There's also a surprising amount of comfort and driver assist features packed into this compact vehicle. One of the biggest selling points of the Dongfeng Box is its affordability and efficiency. In many regions, this van qualifies for government incentives aimed at boosting electric vehicle adoption, making it an attractive choice for small businesses and fleet operators. Plus, with zero emissions and low maintenance costs, it's a smart solution for eco-conscious operations. Whether you're a small business owner looking for an efficient delivery vehicle or just a fan of quirky EVs that think outside the box, literally the Dongfeng Box delivers innovation in a compact package. It might not be a performance monster, but in the world of electric commercial vehicles, it's definitely making its mark. Thanks for riding with us here on Motor Masters. If you enjoyed this look at the Dongfeng Box, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome automotive content from around the globe.